Hi, this is Brandon from Watches on You. Today we're taking a look at the Heuer Carrera Calibre Heuer 1 skeleton. Now, right away I'm going to go over kind of the overall case details of this watch, and it has a very interesting case given its modular design. And basically that means that there are a variety of components of the case that are all pieced together as opposed to one kind of singular case that you see on more traditional watches. So, for example, one of the more interesting pieces of the case of this watch is the bezel. It is not ceramic, it is titanium carbide coated steel, and it gives us a beautiful black hue that just looks fantastic in the light. This watch is a very impressive piece, and it will definitely get noticed by those around you. So it's probably not for some people's styles if they tend to keep it more, they try to stay kind of understated, but it's a very sporty watch, so if you have a very active lifestyle, this would be an awesome watch for you. So now moving on to the movement. So this watch has the Calibre Heuer 1 in-house movement. As you can see, the finishing is very nice. It's a column wheel chronograph. It looks very nice in the light. You have the black rotor there, which I think looks great and kind of adds a little contrast with the steel case and the steel base plate of the movement. So now I will demonstrate the chronograph function, and the chronograph pushers feel very, very nice. They're a lot smoother than on an ETA-based movement, and I really like, they're fairly easy to use too, and again, that kind of plays into why I said they're a little bit smoother. They're very easy to push is what I mean. So I'll stop the chronograph again with the top pusher and reset. So you can see it resets just using that kind of flyback motion, and I think that that is it feels very nice again to push that button. So now I'm going to talk kind of about the bracelet. So it comes on a rubber band, and this rubber is actually very thick. It's very comfortable. It has holes through it, so it's fairly breathable. You could definitely wear it in a sporting situation. I mean, I think that this watch is perfect to like play tennis or golf in. That's probably what I would use it for, and I think that that's very, very nice. So before I forget, there's one thing that I forgot to mention with regards to the movement. So without the chronograph function moving, it has a 50-hour power reserve, which is over my 48-hour kind of requirement. And with the chronograph running continuously, it has a 40-hour power reserve, which is still good. Most people will not have the chronograph running continuously, given that you already have a running seconds right here. So I just kind of, in summation, I really love the design of all aspects of this watch. It feels very high quality. There's nothing lacking. A lot of Tag Heuers, in my opinion, such as the Formula One series, don't have that high-end feel. The design doesn't feel very high-end. And this is definitely an exception. This feels absolutely great. And that's probably due to the price, considering that this watch has a retail price of $5,350. And that's kind of expensive, but you could find resources online, and probably the retailer would be willing to discount somewhat if you wanted to purchase this watch. And getting into that, so we're filming this review at JB Hudson. They lent us the piece for the review. So if you want to purchase this watch, you can contact them or come to the store, and I'll also be leaving a link in the description. So in summation, this is a fantastic watch. I think that it'd be great for anyone who has an active lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.